Have you ever made a plan to solve a tricky problem? Today's word is all about planning and creating ideas. Welcome to Word Up with Sofia. Today's word is formulate. Can you say it with me? Formulate. Let's spell it together. Ready? F-O-R-M-U-L-A-T-E. That spells formulate. Formulate means to carefully plan or develop an idea or strategy. Here are some words that mean the same as formulate. Say them with me. Plan, like writing steps before starting your science project. Develop, like practicing until your soccer skills get better. Design, like sketching out a Lego tower before you build it. Compose, like making up a new song on the piano. Create, like inventing your own game at recess. Each one shows how formulate means carefully creating or planning something. Now let's look at the opposites of formulate. Disorganize, like mixing up all your notes so they don't make sense. Confuse, like giving instructions that are impossible to follow. Mess up, like forgetting the steps to a recipe. Simplify, like cutting out the important details instead of planning carefully. Destroy, like tearing up the plan you just made. That's the opposite of formulating. Here's a great example. Sofia took time to formulate her thoughts before writing her essay. Let's go over it. Formulate means to carefully plan or develop an idea or strategy. Synonyms: plan, develop, design, compose, create. Antonyms: disorganize, confuse, mess up, simplify, destroy. Formulating helps you organize your thinking so your ideas can succeed. Try formulate a plan for a small task, like cleaning up toys or setting the table, and share it with someone. Brilliant! You formulated a smart plan or idea. Keep making smart plans, little explorers. See you tomorrow for Word Up with Sofia.